So now that I've accounted for some of that competitive information I input, I've got my notes, I'm ready for the discovery. Well, I know that also when talking with the rep, that this prospect is not going to make a decision unless we do a proof of concept. So Vivin makes it really easy for my team and I to make sure that we're distributing out this work and that we have all the tasks necessary for us to give a really great POC. So in order to start working on this, what I'm going to do is add a new deliverable. So you recall that I have my discovery today. So this one's already assigned to me. As far as activities associated with that, pretty standard. Set the call, ask the questions, and get the feedback. But for POCs, we know that there's a lot more steps that are accounted for here. Well, Vivin automatically brings in all of those different tasks that make up a POC deliverable. And what I'll show you right here is when I select proof of concept, so this is a Huli POC. And so each of these deliverable types is dynamic in the way that depending on which one I click, I can have certain configurable custom fields associated. So all the things that we need in order to start working on this deliverable, I can account for. I can also set a scheduled date, enter in any additional details. And then when I click save, this is where the magic happens. So instead of me having to manually go out and start accounting for all these different tasks that we know make up the POC, you can see that 5 activities were automatically brought in and associated to this opportunity. So now I know that our first step is to review the requirements. And since I'm doing the discovery, I am going to assign this to my teammate Brett. So here I can input some additional information. We can use any type of notes and attachments on each of these individual tasks as well. And then once we save it, this is where we start to link and we now have that visibility so we can see what everyone is working on, when we can expect it to be completed. So it's never been easier to collaborate as a team as it has within Vivin.